When it comes time to upgrade your kitchen, consider that you may be moving sometime in the future. It's important to remember at some point there may be a new person cooking in your kitchen. After all, as the chart shows, most people move at least 11 times over the course of their life. Keep that in mind as you design your new kitchen. Someday it will be enjoyed by a new household. Many experts believe it may approach 10% of the overall value of your home. That fact and many others are important to remember when it comes time to sell your home if you plan on recouping any part of your investment. Of course, some of those factors are impossible to predict, but you'll definitely want to keep that figure in mind as you're designing the kitchen you desire. It's a good idea to consult with a real estate agent in your area to gauge what a typical kitchen remodel will cost, and if it adds value to the resale or not. Also, find people who are skilled in rehabbing or flipping homes in your area. The internet is also a good place to find videos that may teach you tips and tricks that add value without exorbitant cost. While you're building out your kitchen, don't lose sight of the fact that it needs to be not just a beautiful space, but a functional one. Think of common kitchen tasks that aggravate you because of how your current kitchen is designed, and consider a better layout. Of vital importance when you're designing a kitchen, either for yourself or for resale, is the general functionality of the kitchen. Traditionally, a work triangle is the distance between your sink, your stove, and your refrigerator. You do not want the distances to be too far or it becomes hard to work and operate in the kitchen. If it's laid out properly, it will enhance the value of your kitchen. After you have a layout that addresses the basic functionality of the kitchen, then it's time to think about cabinets and countertops and appliances. When thinking about cabinets, consider using a transitional cabinet. It's a blend between the old and the new. Transitional cabinets today are often found in a shaker style. It's appealing to a wide range of people. Often you'll find these cabinets in white or tones of gray. White and gray offer a neutral backdrop, and it's very easy to decorate with many tastes around a neutral backdrop. Therefore, particularly if you're planning on reselling your home, it will appeal to a wide range of buyers. With resale in mind, if your home is more modest in value, consider using stock cabinets. If your home has a little greater value, you may consider using semi-custom cabinets, which offer more choices in cabinet size and finishes, and also interior accessories that you may find useful. Consider clever storage options like pantry, drawers, and spice organizers, and make sure the cabinets come with soft closed drawers and doors. It's nice that when you close a drawer, it doesn't slam shut, making a loud noise, but more than that, it saves on damage to your doors and drawers. You're making a lot of consideration towards resale value, but don't forget to make sure that it's a kitchen that you love working in too. You can add color to your kitchen through your countertops. Whether they're stone or quartz or laminates, there's a wide variety of colors and patterns to choose from. If you use laminates or stone, in order to minimize seams, consider the placement of your stove. If you plan correctly, you can use your stove as a natural break in a large kitchen so that a 5x12 counter can be used on either side of it without any additional seams. It will look better and it will be easier to keep clean as well. Another advantage of high-definition laminate countertops is a seamless backsplash can be incorporated. Here it's a slight radius between the counter and the wall where it's easy to clean and keeps germs away. Consider your backsplash. That's the space between your countertop and your upper cabinets. This can be painted, but many people prefer to use tile. With all the choices in tile on the market today, whether it's stone or ceramic or glass tiles, here's a place to add a little spice to your kitchen. It's also an easy area to replace if a new homeowner wants to change the kitchen a little bit to suit their taste without a major expense of changing the countertops or the cabinets. It's strange to think of designing your new kitchen for the sake of the future owners of your home. Kitchen appliances are one of the first things that potential buyers notice in a kitchen, so don't cut corners. You don't need top-of-the-line appliances, but don't get the cheapest either. Appliances with stainless steel finishes will look particularly stunning next to transitional cabinets. A dishwasher is another important feature to consider. Today's modern kitchen almost demands to have a dishwasher in it. If you're designing your kitchen with a dishwasher, make sure to put it to the left or the right of the sink and not behind you on a parallel countertop or in an island. You don't want the dishwasher door to fold down and block your path to the sink or any other vital part of your kitchen. You also do not want to have your rinsed dishes carried over an open floor before you put them in your dishwasher. You'll drip water on the floor. It's a nuisance you don't need, and neither does the family that might move into the kitchen after you. My name is Gordon Van Fleet. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. And if you click the notification bell, you'll be sure to get any of our upcoming videos on kitchen design and remodeling.